Welcome back to the channel. I'm Andrew. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate channel. In this one, we're going through this one-bedroom apartment in Laureles that looks beautiful. The first thing that you notice is the art on both of the walls, the one outside and the one in the living room here. This is a 79 square meter one-bedroom apartment, so it's about over 800 square feet. So it's not a small one-bedroom. Some two-bedrooms are less the size than this, but they did a good job with the space. As you can see, this is the kitchen area, and you've got the laundry area back here where you can easily fit a stackable washer dryer. They've got the water heater there, some storage up top as well. And we're gonna come back out, take a look at this big countertop that doubles as a cooking area because you got the stove top, you've got a little oven underneath and a microwave, and you've got the bar stools on the other side so that you can have people over and have somewhere to eat, because since it's small, they optimize the space. Instead of putting a dining table somewhere, you've got those stools there. This is the living area, and we're gonna go back here through the kitchen to the back where you have the bedroom. Before the bedroom, you have the first full bath. This is a one bedroom, two bath. So this is the first full bath here for guests. If you have someone staying and maybe sleeping in the living room, they can use that bathroom. This is the master bedroom, or the only bedroom. It's got a jacuzzi or a hot tub in here, which I thought was really cool. And king size bed easily fits there. You've got the high ceilings, which I love, the high wood ceilings. And then you've got the bed area here and the bathroom over here as well. So another full bath. One thing to note is that this is located in a sought after neighborhood in Laureles, or a neighborhood within the neighborhood. It's walking distance to the parks, which is el Segundo Parque y el Primer Parque de Laureles. We're gonna go back into the living area, up these stairs, which are really cool. And it's my favorite area in the apartment, which is the little private terrace. This terrace is being used as, it's got a little table there. It's got a gas connection back there. As you can see, you've got the stove top, a little sink, and a little fridge. It's got the smoker there. You can have people over. You can hang out here. I'd probably put a TV out here as well. Maybe watch, soccer matches or the football on Sundays out here as well. Very cool area, and you have a view in Laureles, which is not common. Now let's go take a look at where this is located and what you can get on Airbnb. All right, so if we go to the listing on our website, MedellinLivingRealEstate.com, and we scroll down to the map area, we can see that this one's located right next to the university in this area of Laureles right here. As you can see, you're walking distance to both of the main parks, Segundo Parque and Primer Parque, and you're also pretty much walking distance to La Setenta, where all of the discos and all of the restaurants and touristy stuff there is to do over here. And of course, you've got the stadium over here. So as you can see, the location is prime. Now let's see what other people are getting for Airbnbs in this area. Okay, so if we go to Airbnb.com and we type in Laureles, and remember, this apartment is a monthly rental, so we'll put it here for months. We'll put 2 guests because it is a 1-bedroom. It actually has that sofa bed, so technically 3 or 4 guests could be there, but let's just put 2 guests here and go into the area, which is right here next to the university. Let's take a look at some of these. For example, this one here, about $1,600 for this 1-bedroom, 1-bath place here. As you can see, it looks smaller in size, and it doesn't have that big terrace either, but it does look nice. It looks like it was definitely remodeled, or at least it's new. And this one gets rented. It has 230 reviews. It's a 4.8 star apartment, so it's definitely doing well. Let's take a look at this one here. This one has the high ceilings as well. It's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This one gets $1,700 per month. It's got 318 reviews. I mean, yeah, these two are doing very well. This one does have an upstairs, kind of like a loft. This one is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, and it also has 2 beds. I'm assuming this couch turns into a bed somehow, but this one is getting $1,700 per month. And it's got 32 reviews, 4.4 stars, so it's definitely doing well as well. All right, so if you bought this one at the asking price, you didn't negotiate it down, that would be in US dollars about $158,000. Now, let's say that you invested $15,000 into appliances, furniture, decoration, maybe changing something up. You're all in for $172,965. Now, let's be very conservative and say that you're only going to get $1,500 per month on this one. At the end of the year, that's 18,000 US dollars, minus the expenses like the HOA, property taxes, miscellaneous. That means that your net ROI is about $15,000 a year, which comes out to be about 8.7%. That's assuming 100% occupancy. If it's 80% occupancy, let's say that you came and you stayed in it for a couple months out of the year, or maybe you have friends coming over and they're staying for free, etc., your cap rate's going to go below 7%. But again, we're being super conservative with our numbers, saying that you bought it at asking price and that you can only get $1,500 a month for it. Obviously, these numbers could be a lot more attractive, but it all depends on how you manage the property, how well you decorate it, etc., and of course, how you market it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this one. Is it something that you would buy to live in? Would you rent it out? And if you are interested in taking a look at this one, all you got to do is click the link in the description below, fill out the form, and I'll add you on WhatsApp and we'll go take a look at it or maybe find you more. We'll see you guys in the next video.